into the town of Mudgee. This is stop 1 on the Heritage Trail. Robertson Park was the original showgrounds in 1846. Stop 2, the Mudgee Post Office and Telegraph Office, built in the 1860s. Stop 3, this building was built in 1864 as a bank, but is now used as a law office. Stop 4, Town Hall, built in 1880. This building was built as a bank in the 1920s. Now it's a law office. This is the Anglican Church building. It was built in 1841. Clock Tower, donated to Mudgee and now used as a war memorial. Number 8 on the walking tour is the Regent Theatre, which opened in 1935. St. Mary's Church, built in 1860. This building is Lonigan's store. It was built in 1870. What is today Kelly's Irish Pub was formerly a general store, no date. Number 12, the Oriental Hotel, built in 1876. This is a rare building that continues to trade under its original name. The United Church, built in 1864. Built in 1865 as the Mechanics Institute, it is now the Perry Street Hotel. The Mudgee Guardian newspaper, built in 1890. Built in the 1850s is the Cobb and Company Boutique Hotel. Number 16, the final stop on the Mudgee walking tour. This is Frog Rock. Do you see the crouching frog? And the freshwater spring below. Nice clear water. Well, those drips you see falling into the bottom right-hand stream of water there is coming from between the rocks and dripping off the ferns and feeding the spring, and the water comes from being trapped inside the rock. Here at Hands on Wall, this was done by women and children left in camp, and they say there are hundreds of hands, some motifs of emu feet, and a few other things. They're a bit faded, but certainly you can see the bigger hands easy. Here in the easy reach are little hands, so we know whose hands those are, or were.